Today on Mike Attempts, washer pump filter cleaning. Did you know your washing machine has a drain pump filter that needs to be cleaned? I owned this washer for a couple years before I even knew it had a filter. Let's get to it. The bottom panel is secured with screws. Once removed, the panel should drop down. This is the drain pump, and this is the filter. Place an old baking sheet underneath to catch the mess. Then unscrew the filter. If it's hard to turn, you could use pliers, but be sure to wrap the jaws with rags. If you crack it, you'll be buying a new one. Don't unscrew it all the way yet. Just let the water drain. If your pan becomes too full, you can screw it back in and empty the pan before completely removing the filter. The filter protects the pump by catching any large objects. Hey, I didn't realize I was getting paid for this job. Looks kinda gross. It doesn't smell that great either. Use a toothbrush to scrub out the filter housing. You'll most likely have some staining, which is fine. Be sure to get all of the grit out of the threads to make screwing and unscrewing as smooth as possible. Time to clean the filter. I think most filters are two pieces so you can pull them apart and get everything. The flat piece used to unscrew the filter is hollow, and if it gets cracked, you'll have a leak. It may not look clean, but it is. The two sections snap together. To make removal easier next time, you can apply a tiny amount of silicone grease to the threads and O-ring. There are tabs to ensure the strainer sits properly in the housing. Make sure it's screwed in completely until the stops are touching. Reinstall the bottom panel and you're done. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.